Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Monday, December 4th, 2023. Let's find out what's going on the economic calendar today. Data published overnight were mostly from the Australia, and this data were company gross operating profits, home loans, and the retail sales. Most of this data were in line with the expectations. But the home loans increased from minus 0.1% to 5.6%. At the very dawn of the day, we got the German Buba Maruder speech, and then we got the Elderson from the ECB speech as well. The data for the German trade balance a little bit more bigger than expected, 17.8 versus the 17.1, and the CPI data from the Turkey had been released as well. CPI in Turkey is 61, almost 62%, which is slightly below 63% forecast. And the other CPI readings are 3.28 and minus 0.2. Both of them are lower than expectations. CPI in the Switzerland is at the level of minus 0.2%, which is was at minus 0.1% forecast and 0.1% last reading. And during the today's day, we got the ECB, the Guindos speech, the Elderson speech, and then the Christine Lagarde, the ECB president, will give a speech as well. 30 minutes later as well, Elderson will give a final speech. The one event during the New York session worth of mention are the factory orders. Factory orders are scheduled for release at 4 p.m. That's about the economic calendar. Let's just switch to the technical part, and of course we are going to start with the Australian dollar. The Australian dollar to American dollar for our chart is showing us another higher high. This higher high was made at the level of 6,693, and this level looks like the some sort of the pin bar top, right? So this candlestick has a very long upper shadow, and we got the confirmation that the market wants to go lower. So we got this pin bar here, confirmation of the possible reversal and the extension to the downside below the 50 periods moving average. So let me just place the technical levels on the chart. 6,693 is the technical resistance, and one more level is located here, is the 6,679, which is another technical resistance for the price. Please notice that we can observe the bearish divergence formed on the Australian dollar. If you take a look at this situation between this recent high and this high, of course the price is going up, but the momentum is not going up whatsoever. So we have the bearish divergence, and right now the market is trying to play out this bearish divergence. The intraday technical support is located at the level of 6,000 and 6,638, and it's being tested right now. And the other technical support is located at the level of 6,616 and 6,598. The key technical support is 6,557. Please notice that this market in the background has a very nice uptrend. All right, so we got this movement here to the upside, very nice for bulls. Of course, now we are trying to either play out this bearish divergence or maybe start some sort of the corrective decline. The correction will be regarded as a bearish, and maybe it will extend towards the another time frame chart, a longer time frame, only if it breaks below 6,574. Because there's plenty of the comments and remarks from the Eurozone officials, let's take a look at the euro dollar. What do we see here is something that we expected Already we got the situation when the euro dollar is moving lower. Let me just zoom in a little bit. There you go. Euro dollar is moving actually lower. The local low was made at the level of 1.0830, just at the key intraday technical support. So our 61% Fibonacci retracement arrows are no longer necessary. We can remove it from the chart because we tested this 61% level, which is the thick black line. Okay, it's gone from the chart. Then we made a sort of the fake breakout, and of course the market broke below the level of the 61% again, and 1.0944, and then we are trading at the very important level whatsoever, because it is the technical support. It's a very important technical support. So basically bulls don't want to see this technical support to be violated. We just tested it. As you can see, right now we are testing one more level, 1.0852. Market conditions are negative and very close to become the extremely oversold market conditions. Nevertheless, the up movement might be resumed soon. The outlook remains bullish as long as we are trading above this technical support zone between 1.0747, 1.0768, and the lower technical support, as you can see on the chart as well. So this is the situation on the euro dollar. Looks like the correction might be completed soon. So that's the euro dollar. One more market for today will be Bitcoin. Why? There you go, you see on the market exactly why. 41,500 is current price. The high was 41,757 during the last 4 hours, but we hit extremely overbought market conditions, 85 points on the daily. Let me just take a look, on the 4 hours. On the daily as well, we got the level of 76 points. So the market is trading during the extremely overbought conditions, so it might take some kind of a time to apparently move lower. Nevertheless, please notice the fact that right now we are having only technical support on the chart. So let me just remove the not that much important one from the chart because we need an update. Let me reverse the colors from green to from red to green, of course, so we can indicate that the technical support. This technical support is between 38,023 and 38,462. Those apparently those arrows are no longer relevant. If we take a look here, what's happened is, as I said, the classical situation when we got some sort of the triangle. We can even mark this triangle. Okay, now it looks a little bit less confusing what is going on. Okay, we don't need actually this short-term trend line anymore. We can place it here, but it's not that much important anymore. What we had here was some kind of a pattern here. You can see the triangle or bullish pennant, and then we got the burst to the upside. We targeted $40,000. That was the level of the technical level. Right now it's over the 40,000. It's 41,610. Local high 41,757, and we are moving higher. Let me just take a look on a daily to see what is the potential target for this market. Let me just move to the weekly, because it looks like only on the weekly we can say a potential target. On the weekly, this market is extremely overbought as well. Please take a look here. And what's happened when the market hits the overbought level, it can stay on this level for many weeks if there is an up movement. You can see it here. From that candle to this candle, this is the situation when the market was of about. Then the market went and made another higher high, almost doubled in price, while the momentum was moving lower. So it's not that right now obvious that the market will move lower because it just hit the extremely overbought conditions on a weekly time frame chart. We might just start the nice big uptrend. And this uptrend might continue, of course. 48,200 is the next target for bulls. This is the next target for bulls. We of course will see some sort of the ups and downs, and we will see the other pullbacks and the corrections on the road. But if the technical analysis can help here, we can at least provide the target for Bitcoin. $48,200 is the next target. This outlook is of course valid as long as this basically breakout above the upper border of the triangle is not violated. So 37,885, 30 and 38,456 are the most important technical support levels for Bitcoin bulls right now. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.